Listen up if your Honda Civic's remote start refuses to work. This quick guide will save you time and frustration. Here's what you need to check. First, check if your Civic is actually locked. Remote start won't work unless all doors are shut and locked. Next, is your hood fully closed? Even a slightly open hood disables the system for safety. Don't forget your key fob battery. A weak battery can't send a strong enough signal. Easy fix, just replace it. Also, did you leave your car in gear? Remote start only works if your Civic is in park with the parking brake set. Pay attention to warning lights. If your check engine or maintenance lights are on, the remote start might be disabled until you resolve those issues. Extreme hot or cold weather can also mess things up. If your engine's too hot or your battery's frozen, your Civic might just say nope. And remember, you only get a certain number of remote start attempts before the system locks you out. If that happens, just use the key to start your car and reset things. So, next time your Honda Civic remote start fails, run through this checklist. Most fixes are quick and easy. No need to panic. Got more questions? Drop them in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more car tips.